What up, tubers? This is Ray, the old DOS Geek from rwcweb.com. Here to show you how to do your affiliate websites, okay? Lead capture pages, bridge pages. I'm making this series on Webstarts, the ultimate drag and drop, okay? Ultimate drag and drop. Okay, show you some examples. Now, Webstarts has been around since 2004. You can get a free website with them, absolutely free forever. Okay, there's no gimmick. I am an affiliate. If you sign up through me, what you're going to get is free tech support, not only from Webstarts, but you're going to get regular computers web support, okay, website support. And what that means is whatever you need, I'll make a video on how to do it step by step, whatever you need to learn with this, okay? Now that's providing you sign up through me. Now you could watch my YouTube videos, but they're going to be, you know, what I decide to put up there. You sign up to Webstarts, no matter what kind of website you're building, okay? Affiliate websites, brick and mortar websites for your store, okay, e-commerce websites, Webstarts has it, okay? So now what I'm going to do here is I want to show you a couple samples first here, okay? Formatting your websites, and any of these samples that I show you, we can very quickly and easily create it in Webstarts. Now we're not going to copy and paste any of this stuff, okay? We're going to mimic the overall look and layout of it, okay? Now this one here, I love it because it's short and sweet and simple. Okay, let me make an adjustment here. Okay, their disclosure's a little scrunched up over there, but I am anal retentive guy, and that's what kind of hinders my progress sometimes. Now, these countdowns can be done. Let's see what happens when we refresh the page. Sometimes this is actually an animated GIF, okay, but there is a code to do that. It's very simple. You don't even get what they call a widget. Alright, but ultimately, when you got a landing page, okay, this is basically a lead capture page because there's nothing else for when someone comes here, there's nothing else for them to do but to put their information in here, click this button, and leave. That's it. Okay, now they can go through, and most people don't read these policies, privacy stuff. Oh, they got a nice one. Look how nice. Okay, most people don't read that junk. Okay. Now here's another one here. This type has been around forever. I don't know even what this website is. Okay, but what I'm gonna do, because this almost looks like something fishy. Okay, because there's really no privacy policy or anything there. So I wouldn't recommend doing something like, I mean, you could copy this format, but you gotta have your privacy policies on the bottom. So up here, let's see let's spy on this guy a little bit. So it's this, what is it? Looks like the Pros Priority Warrior. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go directly to their main page and see where that takes us. Okay, so it's the same thing. So however way I found that link, okay, but again, this is a great little lead capture page. It's very, very simple to create. If you saw in my last video how quickly and easily I made this with the Webstarts ultimate drag and drop, I mean, come on. It's ridiculous how quick and easy you can make a simple little lead capture page like this for free with Webstarts for free. Okay, I challenge you to find a better platform. Okay, now they say drag and drop and copy and paste, but ultimately what you're doing is dragging elements into the middle of the, you know, the platform, and you'll have to leave it there. You can't move it around. You can move anywhere and do it any way you desire. Okay, let me do this. All right, any way you desire. Let me grab it by this. Okay, let's shrink all this down a little bit. See how that goes for us here. All right, shrink it down a little bit. Box it in. Okay. Centerize that guy. Alright. Try not to get too anal retentive with it. Now, we don't need to go by these grid lines. Okay, once it's attached to the box, you can pretty much move it anywhere that you want. Now look at this. How quick and easy this guy is going to be to bring up. Bada boom, bada boom. Okay. Save it. And we don't even really have to have this as a header. We can just leave that there without being on the header. Okay, so that quickly we can change it around. Okay, that's a little off center over here. And again, we could fix that, no problem. I could actually highlight that and use my key to move the whole thing. Okay. I could take this and move it out a little bit, make it a little bit more uniform. Again, bada bing, bada boom. Save it. Refresh it, and bam. Okay. I can even obtain this colors. Right? See this color here? I can obtain this color very easily. Copy image. I want to match that color directly. Okay. Go into Canva. Alright. I could just create anything. Put a logo. Okay, now Canva, if you use the mouse and you try to paste something, it's going to give you this message that you got to use the keyboard. So we're gonna. And I just copied that image. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the colors. Okay, and I'm going to get the color from that image. Okay, and there's the code for that color. That quick, that simple. Now there's a gazillion websites that you could probably get that color from. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into here. I'm going to go into my colors. Okay, go into the button colors over here. Background color. Alright, so let's go to save colors here. I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to hold Control and hit the letter V. Update it. Bada boom, bada bing. Webstarts, the ultimate drag and drop. Okay, the ultimate drag and drop. Now that color matches perfectly. Alright, are you getting a picture with the old DOS Geek here? Are you getting a picture? You gotta let me guide you through this stuff. You gotta let me guide you through this stuff. Now I'm a little anal retentive. I like things looking like flowing, what I call flowing. Okay, I like things to flow. Alright? Maybe it's because my anal retentiveness, I don't know. Okay. Ah, look at that. It's a champion. It's a champion. Now, another thing we could do with our newfound color, we can go here, and just for shits and giggles, let's see how that color would look. Oh, look at that. Is that a beautiful thing? That's a beautiful thing. Alright, we'll try and scrunch that up a little bit more. We'll try and bring you up a little bit more. We're going to save you. Webstarts, the ultimate drag and drop site builder. Okay, this is the old DOS Geek. Okay? This is Ray, the old DOS Geek. If you want to learn more about this stuff, you like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button. Go to rwcweb.com. Put your best email in that box right here, and I shall grant you the privilege of having my free tech support on anything you sign up for. Okay? Anything you sign up for. Tricks of the trade. Look at how quick and simple we just made this lead capture page. Look at how beautiful. For free. For free. It's all for free. If it's for free, it's for me. That's the old DOS Geek telling you that.